Well, let's see.
Ooh, that's a really pretty fabric
that's
you
great.
have
I like
there.
it.
Love the colors.
Well, thank you.
Ooh, that blue would look great with this.
Oh, and if we had some greens, that would be going great too. Oh, and I love this batik. Oh, this is great.
Wait, this one's great color.
This is sounding like another challenge. I'm
know.
gonna go have a cup of coffee.
Y'all have fun.
Let's do this.
I want this one. Hi, it's Donna Robertson with Fabric Cafe, and I'm here with Fran Morgan,
And John Nossel.
and they have accepted my challenge. So this is what you're going to be doing. I have 3 bolts of fabric that need to be matched. Each one of you can take all 3 of them and match them up. So we'll have 6 kits when we're all said and done.
Ooh, this is going to be fun.
Yep.
Yeah.
And can we choose any of our fabrics? Any of the fabrics that you see on the wall, and we do have a few more in the other room that you can pick.
Awesome.
And what patterns are we going to be picking?
You can pick any pattern you want. So,
So it's
you have
open to pick any- Ooh, this is gonna be
125 patterns to pick. So let's see what they do, and then you pick out the ones you like best. Give us a little vote, give us a thumbs up, and all of these kits will be listed in the link below. So I'm going to go have my coffee now. So my first kit is called Easy Street, and I picked it because it had some big blocks and some smaller blocks that were bordered with this darker color, the number 3 fabric. So let's put that on the table and look at the kit we chose. So our focus fabric, which was our challenge fabric, is this fun kitty here, and I really love it because it has all of these colors. The number 2 fabric, so let me say this, when you pull your focus away and you have your 2 and your 3 left, the lightest of those 2 is your number 2 fabric, and the darkest is the number 3. So I've chosen this great, it kind of looks like a leopard print, which I thought tied in with the kitties really well.
It does. That's cute.
And so that's our number 2 fabric. And then our number 3 is this bright blue. I just love how well this goes together. Now let me point out here on the quilt itself, the focus fabric, which is the kitties, will go in these blocks here, and then the big block. So that'll be really great. The 2 is the background, which is the gray, and the bright blue will border all of the kitty blocks as well as the border out here. So I think it's going to have great pop, great fun.
That's going to be a fun one.
Kit number on this quilt is 8021746, Colorful Kittens, and this is Easy Street, and here is the pattern that you can select. Now, John, what is your choice on this one?
So my choice is I'm going to be using the same focus fabric, but I've got a little bit different, and I'm going to be using the pattern called Checkmate. And I think Checkmate's one of our great patterns for doing our first time quilt or something like that. Simply because it's got literally a width of fabric up here. So we're going to have a great swatch for our cats, and then a real basic 4-patch. So this is a great one for getting started with quilting, and another quick and easy one. So let's put that up on the table, and I'll show you the fabrics that I've got. So again, I'm going to be using the same focus fabric with our cats here. So we're going to have our cats here in this width of fabric in this big strip. So I'm going to have all of those great cat faces in there.
I like that on that big strip like that.
And that's going to basically keep it to where we're not going to be cutting them up as much. And then our number 2 fabric, I've kind of switched this up a little bit, and I'm going to use this black as my number 2 fabric. So everywhere that you see all of the green in here, I'm going to have this black, and it's a little mottled little dot, which will give us some nice contrast with this purple. And of course, that purple really pops with our cats and brings those purples out.
Wow, it does.
And it's even kind of this fun little, playful little thing that cats will play with sometimes. I know Mom's got her new little kitten, and she loves these little scrunchy balls that she's chasing around the house and everything. It kind of reminds me of that. So we'll have that 4-patch with both the purple and the black. And so the kit number on this is 8021741, Playful Kittens, and we're using that Checkmate. And by the way, that Checkmate's also available in our downloadable book, Quilts for Kids.
I love it. Absolutely love it. So let me show you the next quilt that we have up. This quilt is called Lightning, And I love this one because I love the movement of the steps that go across the quilt like this. And I chose this pattern because I think that the fabric that we chose would really represent well in the different places on this because of the way the print is. I think it's going to be very rich. So let me show you that. So our second focus challenge fabric here is this beautiful, beautiful autumn leaves and oranges and golds and browns. It's just so yummy. And I think that it's going to be absolutely fabulous in the place where this here on this one is the green. So all of these yummy colors will be in here. And I love this too because this fabric has just a little bit of metallic to it, which gives it just a little bit more depth and glow, just like the autumn trees, like the sunshine on the autumn trees. I just love that. Now, coordinated with this as our number 2 fabric is this beautiful kind of a salmony orange, which coordinates perfectly with the lighter orange in the leaves. Now, this will be our number 2, which is our background, which is the lighter here on the lightning quilt. And then our number 3 is the rich brown. This just reminds me so much of looking at the colors of the trees in the fall.
Oh,
so
definitely.
I just love it, love it, love it. Now the kit number on this one is 8021742, and it's called Autumn Regency. The pattern is called Lightning, and it is in the Easy Does It, or an alternate pattern is Jigsaw, is what we're requesting.
Well,
Suggesting.
that is a great one. So let's take a look at the suggestions that I've got with this one. We're still using the same focus fabric with those great leaves. And I have Park Place, and this is a really neat pattern out of the Fast and Fun book. And it gives us a nice block here and another 4-patch again, but these are actually rectangles in this instead of actual squares. So let's put that up on the table and show you how we're going to place that fabric in there and walk through and look at that. So again, I think you really nailed it whenever you were talking about this focus fabric with all of that gold in there. You know, it's almost like one of those frosty mornings that you get a little frost around the leaves, and it's just great little fabric.
Just a beautiful fabric.
You know, so in this situation, you know, my focus fabric is going to go here where we have this red fabric, and it's going to really give us some nice variety in that. And then my number 2 fabric, I gave us this kind of little green vine, which will look really great in our number 2 position in this. And then our number 3 is this really kind of a cool little, almost a wood grain in this.
It does look like a wood grain.
It is, it's great. And that's going to go out here everywhere we've got the blue in the kit. And so we can have those in there. And this one is called Brushwood Manor, and it's 8021743. Again, the pattern is Park Place, and that's also in the book Fast and Fun.
I love that one. Good job. I like the quilt pattern that you chose for that too. It's going to really show that fabric off well.
That is a really neat one.
So my next quilt here is called Louvers. Now Louvers is from our brand new book, 3-Yard Quilts on the Double. And I just love this pattern because first, so fast to do, so simple. And it looks kind of like you're looking through the louvers of a window blind, which I really like. So you can peek to get your focus fabric here, and then your extra fabrics on the side, your 2 and 3s here. So let's put that on the table and see where that fabric falls. So this was an absolutely gorgeous batik that we chose for our focus fabric, and it's these oranges and reds and golds again, and I almost think it looks like it has dandelions on it right here and little butterflies. It's very vague, but it's definitely there, and it's a lot of fun. Once again, kind of a little bit of an autumn feel, I think. So this fabric, your focus fabric, will go into this big square here. So this will be like the outside. And then our number 2 fabric is the purple, and it will go in the lighter section of the block, and the red will go in the bottom. And these will create your louvers. So like you're looking through the louvers here at the window in the background, and you'll see all your dandelions and your butterflies and everything.
That'll be really pretty.
I just think it'll be so fun. Now the kit on this one is 8021744. It's called Springtime Sunset, and we've used the pattern Louvers from our new book Quilts on the Double, and a suggested alternate pattern is going to be Town Square.
So this is one of our new patterns from Quilts on the Double, and I really like this one. It's called Balance. And it's got just a great kind of almost a Jenga thing happening with these blocks in here. So if you've ever played that game with your kids, it's kind of a fun example of that. So let's put that up on the table and show you where the fabric placements are going to be. And so again, you know, I really love your comments about this fabric, and it does really bring out some of the neat things that are happening around fall, because, you know, we've got the monarch butterflies that kind of come through here in the fall as they're migrating down to the southern hemisphere for the summer. And so we got those butterflies and the dragonflies all in this. And so our focus fabric is going to be inside of our blocks here, and we've got those here throughout that, and we've also got it out here on the border and as our binding. So that's going to be a really neat touch with that. And then this gorgeous purple that brings in the purples that we have with the butterflies and our little dandelion-like look.
Perfect match with that, John.
Oh, thank you.
Perfect.
And hopefully it's going to make Mom proud of all of the things that we're doing here.
I'm sure she will be.
and so this lighter purple batik is going to go here in our block. So it's going to be a really nice, it's going to really pop with that. And then our number 3 fabric, this darker, again, we've got a green in here with more of these purples in here, and it's going to just tie all of this together. That's going to be in here in our borders around all of our blocks with our focus fabric and out here on the border. So all 3 of these together are our kit called Papillion Play, and it's 8021745. And again, this is Balance out of the Quilts on the Double book, or our alternate pattern would be It's a Snap. So that's a great looking kit.
Gorgeous. Good job. This is going to be tough.
This is going to be fun. They've got our customers now have to get out there and tell us which ones they like. You know, tell us in the comments. We'd love to see that.
Oh, and let's go get Mom and see what she thinks.
Yeah.
Well, I think you two did a great job. I can see many more cups of coffee in my future while y'all are matching up fabric. Now, if you liked this show, be sure to give us, subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up. And all of these patterns came from either one of our books or one of our patterns. You'll get a free pattern with every kit, or buy 3 kits and you can take a book instead of the little patterns. So, with that, let us know which kits you like. They're all linked below. That's right.
And definitely comment, let us know. I mean, because we like to read all the comments and we try to respond to all of them too.
It really does help us when you give us feedback on what you like best. So, as we said, thumbs up. See you next time.